Anaplan is a cloud-based platform used for business planning, modeling, and performance management. Here's how to use it. Login. Access Anaplan via your web browser. Enter your username and password to log in. Navigate to Dashboard. The home screen shows dashboards and models relevant to your role. Use the navigation panel on the left to access different models, dashboards, and reporting tools. Models and modules. A model is a workspace for a specific planning activity, like budgeting or forecasting. Modules within a model contain the data, lists, and calculations. Data input. Enter data directly into cells within a module, similar to a spreadsheet. Use import actions to load data from external sources. Create and use dashboards. Dashboards provide a visual representation of data. Build dashboards using the Dashboard Designer, adding charts, grids, and other visual elements to display key metrics. Planning and modeling. Use Anaplan's calculation engine to perform complex modeling. Define formulas and functions in module blueprints to automate calculations. Collaboration. Share dashboards and modules with team members. Use Anaplan's commenting and notification features for collaboration. Reporting and analytics. Generate reports using the data in your modules. Use the analysis tool to drill down into data and identify trends. Security and administration. Admin users can manage access rights and permissions. Set up user roles to ensure data security and compliance.